How is internet bandwidth defined, and what does it mean? Imagine trying to fill a bucket with water. The size of the pipe feeding the water determines how much water can flow in at once. That's similar to what internet bandwidth is. It's the maximum amount of data that can travel through a network connection in a set amount of time. Usually, it's measured in bits per second or bits per second, and larger units like megabits per second or gigabits per second. Think of megabits as 1 million bits and gigabits as 1 billion bits. Bandwidth shows how much data can pass through a network channel at the same time. It's like the width of a highway. More lanes mean more cars can travel side by side. But remember, bandwidth isn't about how fast data moves from one point to another. That's called speed. Instead, it's about capacity, how much data can be sent or received at once. If you have a high bandwidth connection, you can stream videos, download large files, or support many users all at the same time without slowing down. This concept applies to many types of connections, including fiber optic cables, copper wires, wireless signals, and even undersea cables that connect continents. Each medium has different maximum bandwidth capabilities based on its technology and physical properties. For example, fiber optic cables can handle hundreds of gigabits per second, making them ideal for data centers and internet backbones. Copper wires, like those used in home internet, usually support lower bandwidths, often up to a few hundred megabits per second. Wireless signals vary depending on the technology, with newer Wi-Fi standards offering higher bandwidths for faster internet at home or in offices. It's important to distinguish bandwidth from throughput. Throughput is the actual amount of data successfully transmitted over the network. It's often less than the maximum bandwidth because of network congestion, packet loss, or protocol overhead. Think of throughput as the real-world data flow, while bandwidth is the potential capacity. Latency is another related term. It measures the delay in data transfer, or how long it takes for data to travel from source to destination. High latency can cause lag, especially in online gaming or video calls. Both bandwidth and latency impact overall network performance, but they measure different things. In network management and security, monitoring bandwidth is essential. It helps identify bottlenecks, prevent congestion, and ensure reliable service. If a network's bandwidth is maxed out, data can slow down or get lost, which affects users and services. By keeping an eye on bandwidth usage, administrators can optimize performance, allocate resources better, and prevent security issues like data theft or unauthorized access. To sum up, internet bandwidth is the maximum data transfer rate of a network connection. It tells us how much data can flow through the network at any given moment. Monitoring this capacity helps keep networks running smoothly, supports security, and ensures everyone gets the internet experience they need.